Hi there, welcome back to my channel. A little bit about everything. I started mowing some hay yesterday, and I didn't get very far. One of the repairs that I had made didn't last, and I'm using an old sickle mower from Massey Ferguson from 1968. And what happened was it's almost lawn-like. I know that the field has to be replenished or reseeded, I should say, but I'm going to try to make it a go with this sickle mower and repair it again. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to take you over to the sickle mower and show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is the mower, right? And these were replaced where my thumb is. The bottom pieces, the bottom knives were replaced, and so was this top piece, but it was so thick that it would really put a strain on it, right? And how this works is this is a side view. It's a side thing, it's not from the back. So here you have your PTO, chain, bearing, drive shaft, and as you can see, there's a red arm here connected to the 3-point hitch, and it's on a spring-loaded cylinder which lifts the mower. Well, here you have a clutch, and at the end you have a steel rod, and that steel rod is connected to this ball here, but it has a wooden fuse to it. Okay, they use wood as a fuse so the piece of wood will break before something else breaks, but in this case I put a piece of a piece of maple, or no, a piece of birch, and it looks like the birch won. So what I did here was clean up the crack, and I took a piece of angle iron and clamped it to the side, and I'm going to use this MIG welder from Lincoln 180 to actually try and put a tack of weld on there. Okay, now you guys that are actually doing welding videos, I don't know if you put a screen in front of your camera so you don't burn the lens in it or something, so you're not going to see me weld this on screen, okay? But I'll bring it back when I've welded it and give you a look of what I've done, okay? Alright, meanwhile back at the ranch, let's go take a look at the weld, okay? So, I didn't take my welds up and down because I would have burnt through it. It's only 1/8 thick. So what I did was make multiple passes or stitches across the plate. Now I don't know if that's the correct way to do it, but I tried to bridge the gap. with 1/8 thick weld. I didn't want to go through it through the other side because I'd lose my reference mark. Right, so on this side it remains relatively flat. So I just hope I have enough penetration in there to do the job. Like, you can still see the crack, right? But I'm hoping that this penetration in here will last, right? Life on the farm, eh? See, we had some problems with that piece right here. See that at the end of my finger? This is not really a bolt. It's press fit into this. And this piece has a very close tolerance fit to this in a brass bushing. And this is screwed. Like it looks like a screw with flat threads and no threads in this piece. So when this turns, it tends to want to suck it in. So that's why that doesn't fly out when it's running. And we ended up welding that to this. And we shouldn't have. We should have tried to get a bushing for it, but who makes a bushing from 1968, right? So I'd have to probably remachine this piece. And it's not hardened steel either. So I'd get this piece here, this strap, laser cut or something, or CNC machine somewheres, and replace it. But who's got the time, right?